Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do another super colorful look, something really fun and bright to really brighten up my mood during these tough times. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. And I was very inspired by the weather today because it is beautiful outside. The weather is so nice, so warm, almost very summery feeling out there. Really sunny. I cannot wait to spend the rest of the day outside just in my backyard. Obviously not going out anywhere. And I really wanted to do something bright, inspired by the sun and summer and spring. So this is the look that I created, and I added a little bit of glitter just to sparkle up my life a little bit. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Trendy in Tokyo shadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Trendsetter. Starting with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to start off by running the shadow through my crease. Just going back and forth and blending that out. I'm now going into Sushi, and now switching over to my Sigma E25, and I'm starting to apply this kind of on this lower part of my crease, all the way into the inner corner. And then I'm going to start doing little circular motions to start blending this out, and then just doing windshield wiper motions. And then picking up this shadow on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush and just packing this onto my lid to create a nice smoky eye. And then going back into Trendsetter on my E38 and just applying that at the high point of my crease to help blend everything out and soften this crease area. Now for my lower lash line, first picking up Trendsetter on my E54 medium sweeper brush and tapping that right about to like halfway, just a little past halfway. We're going to keep this inner part without any shadow for now. And then picking up Sushi and doing that same thing, just tapping that first and then lightly blend that out. Now picking up Tempura, and then picking up the shadow again on my E54 and just tapping that right on this inner part of my inner corner and then on my lower lash line. Look at how pretty and bright that is. I feel like it just made this look so much more summery. For glitter glue, I'm going into the Hard Candy Glitter Stay. Now picking up this glitter primer on my F70 concealer brush by Sigma, I'm going to start tapping this over top of that yellow shadow. Now for glitter, I'm going to the BH Cosmetics Loose Glitter in Lemon, and then I'm going to pack on this glitter over top. Because when we applied the glitter primer, it might have picked up a little bit of that yellow shadow, so I'm just going to pack this on over top again. Now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Torch, I'm now going to line my upper waterline, and then line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into the Tati Lashes in TL19. And that's the eye look done. For lipstick, I'm going to try out this BH Cosmetics Liquid Linen in Evelyn. I didn't mean to make this whole tutorial BH, but I really wanted to try out this shade and this formula, so that's what I'm going to use. And that is it. This is the completed look of my bright orange and yellow smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am loving that glitter on the inner corner. I feel like it just spices up the whole look and makes it super fun. Obviously, you could leave that out if you wanted to make it a little bit more wearable, but to me, this is still wearable. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!